Good morning, everybody. Here we are in Rancho Palos Verdes. Let me go ahead and turn around, see what you got here. So, big house, nice beautiful view. Let's take a look at what we got. Alright, so you can see the two-tone color floor. This was stained. This all had carpet on it. A dark spot. I don't know what happened there, but right here, it looks like they had some sort of plan or some kind of fixture going there. But our sander will take all that stuff off. Definitely remove all this dark stuff. You can see all the wear, tear, all the dirt on the floor. Get that going. I don't know if they're gonna want us to go with this color here, but it goes all the way down. Homeowner's definitely gonna fix this house up, sell it up. See the wear and tear. There's a carpet in there, but let's see. This one had no carpet, but again, you can see all the wear and tear in here. So, it's about 1,500 square feet. We got a couple days to do it. We got our work cut out for us, but like everything here, we're gonna handle it. So, I'll do another video in a couple hours and give you guys an update. Everyone have a great day.